I'm from HSBC. I've been to a previous Business Insight meeting, extremely good, very proactive meeting. You get some good networking here, good companies here, and it's just actually about meeting people, and that's why I come along to these types of networking events.
I'm Victor Nichols. I'm Assistant Chief Executive at Bracknell Forest Council. I just think these are fantastic opportunities to get to meet people who are in business in Bracknell Forest. As a council, we're really keen on engaging with companies who really make the place the kind of place it is. Fantastic place to live and work. That would be impossible without the businesses. So it's really important that we get to understand what they're thinking, what we can do as a council to make sure that we keep it a great place to do business. What I'm keen on getting out today is just a different insight into the kind of things that make business work in Bracknell Forest. And this great programme that the Chamber's put together. The thing I'm excited about today is just seeing what's in the mind of the Environment Agency. Obviously we get to do lots of things with them. We've got a very official relationship with them. I'm interested in seeing what that relationship is with business.